Hello friend, good morning. Welcome to my morning muse with Oludayo. Such an awesome privilege to be with you today. It's that time of the year that we reflect. It's that time of the year where we share. It's that time of the year where we count our blessings and then, you know what? We name them one by one. For us, we're reflecting. That's the theme of this season. We're reflecting on the things that have passed, drawing insights for today, and enabling us to get strength for the journey that is ahead of us. Okay? So today, like other previous episodes, our attention is on the word halt. H-A-L-T, halt. Here is what I want you to ponder upon that possibly happened to you this year. You saw newness because you left sameness. Just because nature abhors vacuum, you will always have something to replace that which you let go. Did you hear that? You saw newness because you left sameness. Just because nature abhors vacuum, you will always have something to replace that which you let go. Friend, this year, do you know how many things you stopped? Do you know how many unproductive things you terminated? They were the reasons you experienced newness. They were the reasons you were able to, burst forth all your limitations. I'm asking you today, don't be afraid to stop that which is unproductive. It is a trigger to experiencing something new, something better, something more wholesome, something that you can celebrate all the way. That's my joy for you today. Celebrate.